Hi guys, welcome to Learn with Dora channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you 7 best AI apps you can use for your content creating that will make it easier and faster for you, both in getting ideas, in planning on your content, on what to post, both how to generate your image, how to get a perfect description, tags and hashtag and all that, what will help you to monetize fast on YouTube. This video is for you today. So without wasting much of your time, guys, the number one on my list is chatgpt. Guys, you all know what is chatgpt. Chatgpt is good in helping you to get ideas on what to post, both in trend, the one that is trending now in this 2026, depending on your niche or your what you are posting on your channel. ChatGPT is good in both creating image, generating your thumbnail, is good for that. So if you are looking for a best apps for your AI best app for your content creating, this video will help you a lot on it. So number one on my list is that ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you to get video ideas on what to post. They can also help you to summarize your life. Like summarizing your life, what I mean is by when you want to do something and you are confused on how to go about it, or you don't want to tell anybody, you can go to ChatGPT and analyze or summarize it to them. They will help you and give you what to do, how to go about it, and the ways for you to get a perfect ideas and a lot of ideas on what to do so that you will be fine with it. So the number 2 on my list is Canva. I hope I pronounced it well, guys. Number 2 is Canva. You guys know what is Canva. Canva will help you in generating your thumbnail. A good and quality thumbnails for your YouTube channel is good on that. It's also good on generating your logo, your flyer. So you guys know what and for also designing your graphic paper. That Canva is good on for generating thumbnails, good thumbnails, quality one for your YouTube channel that will make it look so outstanding for people to watch. Canva is good for that. Number 3 on my list, this number 3 will favor mostly all this my auntie that is on storytelling channel. The number 3 on my list is Notion AI. Notion AI will help you to create image. It will also help you to turn a text to image. That Notion AI is good also. It's mainly for storytelling channel. For those that are using AI for their channel, to post on their channel, that Notion AI will help you on that. Is good for that. So the number 4 I'm rushing it because I don't want to waste much of your time, guys. So the number 4 on my list is Grammarly. I hope I pronounce it well. Grammarly. Grammarly. Grammarly is best for writing. Is if you are good in writing, but you guys know now, if you are good in writing, Grammarly will help you to perfect it, to organize it very well for you so that you will not make any mistake on your writing. So guys, the number 5 on my list is Midjourney. I don't know if you guys have heard about this app before. This app, people don't know about this app much, but this app is going to help you in creating your image. For all my beautiful aunties that are doing that storytelling, or that are mainly they are using AI apps, you can use this Midjourney AI apps for creating of your image. If you want to use a good image, quality image for your video, that Midjourney app is good for you guys. You are going to be marveled on the number 7 on my list, because that number 7, watch this video to the end, because number 7 on my list is going to help you in monetizing your channel, in getting a lot of ideas for your channel that will help boost both visibility, both engagement, both your CPM and all that, guys. Sorry for the interruption. So the number 6 on my list is CapCut AI. You know, we have CapCut, we also have CapCut Pro. So this CapCut AI is good for video editing. If you have been looking for a best, nice and good quality apps for editing of your video, I will recommend this CapCut AI for you, because it will help you to edit your video in good quality. It will help you to edit your video perfectly well, both in brightening of your video, both in the aspect of putting your stickers and everything. It will help you to give you a nice and quality video editing. So if you want to use if you are looking for apps that you can use for video editing, for your editing, I recommend that CapCut AI for you. So the number 7 of the of them on my list today, guys, is what Extra Tools AI apps. I know you guys have not heard about this app before. These Extra Tools AI apps will help you both in oh God, it will help you in both to generate new videos, topic ideas for you to make a new trending apps. If you are lacking behind on what to post, this AI app will help you on that. They will help you to generate good quality topics on depending on your niche. It just depends on the kind of niche you are into. You will just give them clue on what you are doing, and they will help you to analyze, to list out the trending topics. But they are also good in editing in good quality thumbnails. They will help you on that, to give you that perfect, that good quality and not low quality. You know, we are what we are focusing on is good quality. That is what YouTube are looking out for now. They will help you on boosting your video quality. They will give you a lot of new topic ideas they will also help you on, because when you have a good video, both the thumbnail, both the title are all good, guys, your video will attract audience. They will attract people to watch it. But when your video is dull, when the thumbnail is not really catching, people are going to just scroll and pass your video. So you, in this content creating, you just have to be consistency. You just have to focus on what you are doing, and not when you post concerning food today, you will post another thing tomorrow. It will even confuse the YouTube algorithm, because they will not know what people to push your videos to. So that is what I'm saying, guys. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. The app is so good because it will help you on topics, it will help you on getting video scripts, it will help you to generate video scripts and many other things. So guys, tell me in the comment section the one you are going to try for your content creating. I will tell you that all these apps I listed are all good for this content creating, for video editing and many things that will help your YouTube to grow faster and get monetized. So guys, thank you very much once again. I hope you enjoyed this teaching today. Bye.